see this? What an ad. So let me show you guys some of the things I got for the Disney trip. Some wet wipes, a little dry shampoo, a little travel guy. I really don't love using these, but I have a wedding coming up in March. It's April. Our wedding is in May, and I'm on a very strict hair regimen. I'm really nervous that my stomach is going to be upset with me. Tums, fiber, and Pepto-Bismol just in case. I've actually never even taken this. I don't know. A little can of body deodorant. I got a powder, a setting powder. Honestly have a little bit on right now, and I do like it. I also got a legitimate highlighter. And another product that I got is this Revlon Glimmer. I specifically bought these sour candies because I have really bad flight anxiety. I got this bag for my birthday, and this is actually my first time using it and taking it on a trip. The best part is on the bottom, you can open it up. Open it up. This is literally so fun. I love to pack.
I feel overwhelmed.
I have my outfits ready to go, so let's pack my suitcase. This is my first time bringing a big suitcase, and I got this really nice one from my bridal shower. We leave for Disney in 1 week. I'm going to miss my dog. Oh. Ah! This bag was just delivered to my house, but we just got to the airport. What do I do?
Someone's willing to drive all the way here for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, this is just a shout out for my dad for driving 30 minutes to drop this bag off for me. My goodness. If everyone could just like this video to, say thank you to Joe. Yay! My phone up. Jeez. Rainbow cheesecake, rainbow cheesecake.